Welcome to this session on the project plan. In this session, we'll discuss project sizing, project planning, and the wrap-up or final presentation. So let's go ahead and get started. By this time, the team has gathered all the needed context, truly understands what the business is thinking, the team is aligned with tactical and strategic goals, and has proposed a solution for a new digital experience. And we've even shown how it could possibly be built. Now we need to plan the next steps and decide whether or not we wish to move forward. To create a plan, we must first size the Agile project for this new digital experience. By now, all the information we need is available. We can use the architecture design as a structure for sizing. We should have foreseen any roadblocks, and they should have been addressed during the architecture design. And remember, the sizing doesn't need to be too detailed. At this point, it's just an estimate. We're really creating a time box for an Agile project. Once we begin making the plan, we need to make sure it's aligned with the business. To do this, we need to make sure we understand their goals and any key milestones. Our goal should be to deliver value as quickly as possible. To accomplish this, sometimes it helps to plan for a MVP or minimal viable product, and this can help speed up when things actually go live. If needed, we should also consider splitting the delivery into different phases. So as we begin project planning, the team size and different phases of the project should align with the business goals. In this example, we can see that a second scenario is submitted in the business vision. We can see that there's a team structure and that the project is split into actually 3 different phases. A 14-week initial phase that is just for the minimal viable product of the portal, followed by an 11-week phase to build the mobile version of the portal, and then followed by that second scenario where we actually add an additional 11 weeks to build the second phase so we can add the features that were not placed inside of the first phase. Now, once the plan for all of this is ready, we need to deliver the wrap-up or final presentation. The final presentation should cover all the steps that were taken during the workshop and have been completed. It should describe the current situation and the findings from the discovery and the analysis. It should detail what the business was asking for and why the business vision was done. We should also explain any conclusions or decisions that are being introduced as part of this proposed solution. When we present the business vision, we should include all of the deliverables that have been created. Finally, after the presentation, we should get feedback from the business and agreement on the final vision. The vision will help determine what comes next, including a decision on whether or not the project should be done. So, to wrap up the discussion around the business vision in general, here are some final guidelines we should be thinking about for the business vision. It should always be aligned with the business goals. We should know what the strategic and tactical goals are, and each decision should be aligned with those goals. We need to make sure that the business validates all of the deliverables. The vision is for them, and they need to be informed so that things stay aligned. Remember, a business vision is at a high level, so make sure not to get lost in too many details, as this could compromise or slow down creating the vision itself. Stay focused, but be flexible and adapt to the circumstances. Each vision is different. We have seen a number of examples throughout these presentations, but what the business is asking for may be very specific, and that solution may require specific characteristics that we need to focus on, more than one aspect of the usual types of examples. And finally, good presentations paint the picture of the new experience and tell its story. So that's it for this session on the project plan and the overall business vision. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.